Here I've got a board from a Microsoft Mouse, and it's got a problem where it sometimes randomly powers off when it's connected to the computer, and I'm thinking it's this capacitor, so I'm going to switch it out with this. Alright, see, it's got one leg out. Alright, got the old one out. I'm going to use this to clear out all the old solder. You can see just there. Here, see the final result. Not the best solder joints, but they'll do. And looks like it's finished. Laptop on. Plugging in the connector there. There it goes. Ooh. No signal. Oh, look here. Seems to be working. Lights on. Let's put it in its casing. Alright, so scrolling works, and clicking, right click. Yep, that works. Alright, well, we'll see if the issue goes away. Alright, so it's been a day since I replaced this capacitor, and it still kept on having the issue where it would, when you first plug it in, it would power off, but then when you plug it in, it would turn on again. And yeah, that issue was still present. So what I did was I replaced these two capacitors as well, and that issue went away, but it didn't actually fix the original problem. The original problem was still actually there. So this is after testing, or trying to figure out what the next culprit was, I figured out that it was this component here, and I'll prove it to you. So I've got the laptop open, plug in. Alright, so lights on, and when you move this, yeah, you see there. So it's a bad solder joint on this component, and I'll fix that right now. So it's been a while since I last recorded the last segment, and pretty much the problem is still there. I think it's a bit better. It doesn't cut out as much as it used to, but obviously there's still a problem with it. I think it's that blue component that I was poking at before. I probably need to replace that. And I looked online, it seems to be discontinued, so I think I've got no other options now. I just have to deal with it pretty much. Oh well.